With Yogurtheim, delicious yogurt becomes a daily routine. Hello, I am Lorena. Today, I would like to introduce you this product. Ta-da-da-dan-ta-dan! Yogurtheim Yogurt Maker, made by Easy Yogurt. It allows you to eat yogurt, which is essential for gut health. Of course, you can easily buy yogurt at the supermarket, but it contains a lot of sugar and various additives. How long are you going to make yogurt in a rice maker and have the hassle of washing dishes again? Now, make your own at home. Yogurtheim Yogurt Maker doesn't take much space and it's easy to operate. How does it make yogurt? Just buy a bottle of milk and you're done. First, put the yogurt starter in the milk, close the lid, and shake the mix. Plug the Yogurtheim Yogurt Maker, set the timer, and press the operation button easily. And when fermentation is done, the heater will automatically stop and inform you with an alarm sound. 1 liter makes up to 1 gallon, so you don't have to make it often. You can eat your fill. And the most important advantage, washing dishes is really convenient, especially for those who make yogurt with a rice cooker. The heater is a sticky type, just a few rubs and it's clean. And since it doesn't use a container, just rinse the milk cartoon and throw it away to the recycle bin. Also, the product is so small that it does not take much space. You can make yogurt anywhere. Yogurtheim fits in the drawer. The yogurt you can make can be stored in the refrigerator's beverage compartment. Yogurtheim Yogurt Maker is an excellent product that has been publicly recognized by many awards and designations for its technology and convenience. Yogurtheim's fermentation program detects the ambient temperature and the size of the milk bottle, and it automatically adjusts the calorific value to ensure delicious yogurt every time. Now, make delicious yogurt easily with Yogurtheim. Delicious yogurt becomes a daily life habit. Sometimes, simple is best. Everyone, be healthy. Bye!
Introducing Caveman, the featherlight portable grill that folds completely flat. Throw out that George Foreman, there's a new sheriff in town. Caveman is 100% portable and crazy lightweight. There's not a single portable grill this size that weighs in under 17 pounds. Caveman weighs in at just 6 pounds, less than half of any competitor. If you're a serious backpacker, we're also introducing a less than 2-pound version. You might be wondering, what makes Caveman the ultimate portable grill for camping and tailgating? Well, it folds completely flat. I mean, completely flat. Caveman folds down to just a few flat pieces of metal and stores right into the sleek carrying case. Gone are the days of lugging around an awkwardly shaped, heavy camping grill. It's nonsense. Welcome to the 21st century. Whether that's utilizing the standard grill grate, the flat top griddle, or even the well thought out skewer slots. This way, you can cook eggs and bacon on the griddle when you wake up, some bangin' chicken and veggie skewers for lunch, and for dinner, we're having burgers. All without ever leaving your tent.